Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a caterpillar. Take a pencil and draw a big curve, a semicircle and two curves to make a leaf. Draw the veins and the bite marks. An oval for the head. Two small ovals for the feet. Draw a wavy line and ovals for the body segments. Draw the eyes, nose, mouth, round cheeks, pupils, and antennae. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Don't draw the chewed part. Add a line for the stem. Make one shape of the eyes. Add a knob to each antenna. Draw some hairs on his rear. Add a foot under each segment. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Take an orange marker and draw a spot on each segment. Color the caterpillar orange and yellow and the leaf green. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.